In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar to Apple Calendar. This process allows you to view all your important events in one place. It streamlines your scheduling, making it easier to manage your time. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is where you can manage all the configurations for your device. You will see various options here, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and notifications. Finding the Settings app is crucial because it is your gateway to adjusting how your device interacts with other applications. Once you tap on the Settings icon, the screen will display a list of functions and settings that you can modify. This is where the journey to sync your Google Calendar begins. Next, tap on Apps, then Calendar, and finally Calendar Accounts. This path leads you to the place where you can manage all your calendar accounts. Seeing the options for calendar accounts indicates that you are on the right track. This is an important step because it allows you to add different accounts, ensuring that you can access all your calendars in one cohesive view. After selecting calendar accounts, you will see an option to add account, which is what we'll do next. Select Google from the list of account types. This action prompts the device to prepare for the integration of your Google Calendar. Choosing Google is essential because it indicates to your device which account you want to sync. When you tap Google, the screen may redirect you to a sign-in page specific to Google. This is a good sign, as it means the integration is taking place. This step is crucial. It ensures that your calendar data is sourced directly from your Google account. Now, sign in with your Google account. Enter your email address and password carefully. This step is important because it authenticates your identity and gives Apple access to your Google Calendar information. Once you've entered your credentials, you may be prompted to confirm your identity with two-factor authentication if you have that set up. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your calendar. After signing in successfully, you are one step closer to syncing your calendars. Next, turn on the Calendars toggle. This option allows your Apple Calendar to access and display your Google Calendar events. This toggle is crucial because without it, your events will not show up in Apple Calendar. When you turn this feature on, you can expect to see a visual confirmation that your calendars are now linked. This step is vital for ensuring that your Google Calendar is fully integrated into your Apple Calendar. After that, tap Save. This action finalizes the settings you just adjusted. Saving your changes is essential because it locks in the integration between your Google account and Apple Calendar. Once you tap Save, you may notice a brief loading screen, indicating that your account is being configured. You can feel confident that your settings have been applied successfully, allowing for a smoother experience moving forward. Finally, open the Calendar app to view your Google Calendar events. This is the moment you've been waiting for, as you will now see your Google Calendar integrated within Apple Calendar. As the app loads, you may notice your events populating the calendar interface. This step is significant because it confirms that everything has synced correctly. You can now manage all your schedules in one place, simplifying your planning process. Note that only calendars selected for syncing in your Google account will appear in Apple Calendar. If a shared or secondary calendar is missing, enable it on Google's Calendar Sync page, then refresh Apple Calendar. Also, some Google Calendar features, such as creating new Google Calendars and email notifications, aren't supported in Apple Calendar. Understanding these limitations helps you adjust your expectations, ensuring a smoother experience with your calendars.